Hi everyone, welcome to NatureHouse. Today the last day. Sofia is from Italy, safe back her country. Uh, I think she also would like to share her some experience about the unit teaching for the new PP, the new course. Okay,
Yes, it was a beautiful experience, and I'm sure that the next EPs will take care of the classes and will do their best. So um, I'm also sure that the students will love them and will keep learning English as they did with me, so they can improve their skills, their speaking, and become a good English speaker.
so the most experience when you stay in Vietnam, especially in NatureHouse, with the local people.
I had different beautiful experiences. I visited a lot of places, and also I met a lot of interesting people. So I cannot choose just one, but I think the best things was knowing the students, become their friends, having dinner or lunch with them, talk about their lives, my life, and I think this was the best thing of my time spent in here.
So on behalf the people at Nature House and my family, thank you so much, especially with the student in the class. And we hope to see you as soon as possible, maybe in Italy or maybe in
Sure.
Vietnam again. Okay, bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.